Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw butter. Begin by sketching the basic shape of your butter, whether it's a block or a stick. Use light pencil strokes to define the overall form. Think about the angle you are viewing it from and how that affects its appearance. This initial step is crucial for a realistic outcome. Now, let's add some character to your butter. Soften the hard lines of your initial sketch, giving the edges a more natural, slightly uneven look. Introduce small, subtle marks and indentations on the surface to mimic real butter's texture. Varying your line weight will help create a sense of depth and realism. Next, we'll bring your butter to life with shading and highlights. Determine where your light source is coming from to correctly apply shadows and bright spots. Use smooth, gradual shading techniques to give your butter a three-dimensional appearance. A kneaded eraser is excellent for creating those sharp, reflective highlights that make it look truly buttery. Finally, let's add color and those crucial finishing touches. Select warm, inviting yellow and orange hues to capture the rich color of butter. Consider adding very subtle reflections from any nearby objects to enhance realism. A few small, precise details can make a big difference. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. These final steps truly make your drawing pop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.